They are ditching me to go look at the trail to see how hard it is to go, because the shorty gets stuck. And they disappear. So apparently this is pretty deep snow. So this is all uphill climb all the way up. Shorty here can't go because he's short and he's bald. Shorty. Problem about shorties. Too short, you can't chase big boys. Bald. Good on trails, not on snow. Bald. Here you get stranded. So we might as well enjoy the scene. Good day to ride, not super hot. I am totally sweating right now. Enjoy the view. They're gone. They're not coming back anytime soon. So we need to, 1, upgrade tires. 2, maybe do some